Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix chili pepper coral, semi-gloss latex for concrete wall. Chili pepper is a refreshing peachy pink color. A dynamic and vibrant color is stunning when combined with Tiffany blue, mint green and white. If you are new to my channel, please support me by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter chili pepper, semi-gloss latex mix. Let's start by pouring ochre color, tulidine red on a 20% ratio of semi-gloss latex whites. Also add gloss latex golden yellow. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. Let's compare two. My client chosen sample. We are more lighter. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white in ochre color, tulidine red. Let's compare it once again. It's almost the same, just add more white and red to achieve the pinkish shade. Also drop small amount of gloss latex golden yellow. Okay, let's compare it once more. Okay, just add a little more ochre color, tulidine red. Yes, it's chili pepper color. Already mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.